I'm gonna put my glasses on for this because it's a beautiful sight. Hello friends, today we're making spaghetti Perez style. Look how beautiful.
Gather these ingredients and let's begin. Heat cooking oil in a pot and set to medium heat. Once it's hot, add a pound of both Italian sausage and ground chuck. Splash some vinegar and break the meat apart with a spoon. Add your favorite seasonings. I like garlic powder, black pepper, adobo, and salt. To give the meat that amazing flavor, I drop a cube of my homemade sofrito. Since the sofrito is frozen, mix until it is dissolved into the meat. Gosh, it smells great in this kitchen. All right, let's make the pasta. Bring water to a rapid boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the pasta, stir, and let it boil. I like it al dente, so I am going to cook it for 10 minutes uncovered. So the pasta doesn't stick, stir it occasionally. Drain it well, and it's time to put it all together. Pour the sauce over the meat, add the cooked pasta, and mix thoroughly, and it is done.
The flavors are on point. You want something nice and warm and feed the whole family? These spaghettis are the bomb.